Good evening. I'm going to plant some red potatoes today. I'll show you some of that. Not going to be planting many, but I might just do more than what I'm saying. Yeah, I had these in my kitchen like 3 months. I ate what I was going to eat, you know. As for the rest of them, I just let it, you know, it's starting to get warm here and everything. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the ground. But you just cut it off, you know, like that there, red eye. Have the eyes up, stick your eyes upward, you know, and all that good stuff. And I got, stick the eyes upward when you plant them, you know. That there, really, I could have cut it off right there and made another one, but I'm gonna just go ahead since I got so many here right now. Now I'm gonna plant about a row is all I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna get this started. But yeah, like and subscribe for future videos. Hit that like button down below and hit that bell icon. And also, yeah, like I said, just take your red potatoes. You just a lot of people, you know, you can buy them at the hardware store or whatever. Potatoes, so you got to pay for them that way. When you can just go to the supermarket, get red potatoes, and what you don't eat or whatever, you just keep them in a bag for about a month or two. They're gonna start sprouting anyhow. Gonna sprout eyes, and you just plant. You cut them off, and you just plant that eye upward, right there. Okay, now we're gonna get busy, and we're gonna till up an area right through here, 1 or 2 rows. And that's for red potatoes. Okay. I've been clearing land around here. You see on another video. Ooh, I hit something over that way. Yeah. See what we got here now. That didn't take long, did it? Okay, we got this. This is good, rich, dark black soil. And you can see what leaves falling during the years and everything. Creates plenty of fertilizer for it, compost and all. What we're gonna do, I ain't gonna go all fancy with it. I'm gonna go all fancy with it. I'm just gonna go along, place them in the dirt. If it don't work, then it's in the dirt. See, here we go. Put them in the dirt. Imagine seeing that there at the ocean coming at you. Okay, we're just gonna come here. The ground's already moist, so that's gonna help out a lot. That'll help out a lot. This was like a 5-pound bag of potatoes, red potatoes, and I might get 20 pounds or more out of it. Before it's all over with. I'm just gonna take, when you cut it off, that's gonna go down. Plant them out just right there. Come in and get you. Bring you up here. I'll get you and bring you up here. Wait a minute. Right quick. See that right there? Got plenty of one already. There. I know that's awful close. That's really close, but what it makes was what it makes. I'm just messing around here, and anyhow, I know I'm gonna get several. I'll tell how many pounds out of this here when it's all over with. It's gonna grow into the ground, you know, and sit all out here too, and everything. It's just not gonna be in this one section, you know. So yeah, you can do above ground planting areas, or just till up some area like this here, whatever. And this here, this past year, that's mustard, turnips, and rutabaga. I got some few over there. Got a few still over there left. And everything. You can see where the rabbit come out here. I should have sprinkled stuff on it to scare them off, you know. Flour. My father used to put flour on them. And they just don't like the taste of it, or it just deters them, you know. But yeah, we're going to take them and put these in the ground here. Like this right here. Go along there. Put them in the ground. That's already 4 right there. That's already 4. Probably see where I'm cleaning up and stuff. All right. Yeah. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what we can get here going. Like, hey, you're about out of frame here. Can't see you. I need good ones in there first. I was like, hey, might as well since I got them. You know? If you go to the hardware store, you're gonna pay what? With inflation like it is, you might pay for potatoes like this right here in a bag up there. What, 20 bucks probably now? Ain't no telling what in the world. When you can go get a bag of red potatoes, eat what you're gonna eat, and just, you know, like I said way earlier, and just leave some in the kitchen. Wait a couple of weeks, you're gonna start seeing sprouts. This is about 2 months, or a month. Just say a month here. And I already got, look how big them are. Red potatoes. What we got? Red potatoes. I'm gonna have to put something on this here. Keep the rabbit. There's this wild rabbit around here. Tries to eat things. So okay. As simple as that. Right here. I'm already got one planted here. One. Got one right along here. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. When I might get 50 pounds of potatoes out of this, we're gonna wait and see it, aren't we? And I could have spread it I could have spread it out further, but hey, that'll work. That will work. I ain't doing nothing fancy, like I said. And if it don't work, it just don't work. Now watch it work, because I don't care probably. I'm playing. Yeah, just cover them up. Cover them up like that there. They're gonna sprout. It's gonna look for that sun. It's gonna look for that sun now. This ground is moist too, like I said, it's dark dirt. It's really moist. See how dark it is compared to where the sun's hit it, yeah? Look how dark that is. It's really moist. You know? Let's go along here. And I said I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put a little bit of dirt around there. 10, 11. I think I said 18, didn't I? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I said 18. I ain't have to look back in the video. My mind's all squirrel. You know what I'm saying? Doing that squirrel stuff all over the place. Cause I'm all up in this garden here. Just cover them up like that there. You gotta act all pretty about it and stuff. Unless you want to. But I know one thing. When the potatoes come out, that's quite a harvest. I should put something